Hey guys, yes, this is going to be another video like DUI, or what is it called? Not DUI, you don't get drunk. What? No. This is a video about flushing out your radiator, your coolant, and putting in good coolant, and changing out your thermostat. So I'm going to be doing my thermostat and my coolant, and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. So I got super coolant 50/50 from Subaru. Had to go there and get it. They don't deliver because it's hazardous material. And then I got some of this. I just went to O'Reilly's and got it. It's like a coolant system cleaner. I'll put that in when I'm flushing it out, clean it out. Then I'm going to try some of this. Some of you are probably like, oh, don't use that, but I'm going to try it. It's by Royal Purple. It's supposed to make it cooler, my engine. My engine doesn't overheat a lot, mainly on hot days, but I just want my car to run good, so. And then plus I got thermostat. Here's the thermostat. You guys can get the number if you want. This is for a 2008 Subaru Outback XT. It's probably the same for the generation, or probably more, I don't know. But that's what I got. It's in there. And then I got some distilled water. I got 4 gallons of it. I'm going to do it twice. I'm going to flush it out twice. And then I bought one of these. I have another one over there. But yep, this is what I'm going to do. I got this one right here, and then I have this one right here. I think this is where I'm going to be doing it because it's higher up in elevation, so get all the air bubbles out when I do the flushing a few times, and then putting in the new coolant. But yeah, here we go. So I don't know how long this video is going to be. I'll try to make it one video, but it's probably going to be a series of videos. We'll see, but here we go. I'll show you I'm going to show you probably quick steps, because there's a lot of videos on YouTube, but I'll try to do my best. Okay, the first step of what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise my carb just a bit so I can get under the car. I have a skid plate I need to get taken out of and removed. Plus I need to work under there to get to the thermostat. So I'm just going to raise my car a little bit. I don't want to do it too high because when I drain the fluid, I want to be able to, drain it. I don't want the car up like this, so it won't work. So I'm going to lift my car up just a bit, like maybe a couple of those little notches in the stand. So here we go. Okay, now it's time to do my skid plate. I'm going to use the jack, lift up, lower the thing, and lower the skid plate down, and then pull it out. You'll see. Just like that, guys. Pretty simple. I could probably lift that thing by myself. I probably really don't need that, but it's easier to use the jack stand. That's how you do it. Alrighty. Well, now it's time to drain the coolant. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. Like underneath the radiator, there's, I call it a pit cock or whatever, or drain plug. I could do that one, but I'm going to do the hose because the drain plug is plastic and it could break easily if you're not careful, especially being hot and then cold, hot and cold. It probably can, I don't know. I'm just saying it could probably fuse to the radiator. And then when you try to open it, it'll crack it and then you're screwed. So I'm just going to do the bottom hose and I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay guys, as you can see right here, I need to do a screwdriver right there and drain that. And this goes to the radiator, and I'm just going to have the hose come down and then drain into a bucket. The other end down there is where the pit cock is, or the drain plug. But I'm just going to do that from the hose because it'll drain out faster and get this thing done. Here we go. Okay, got my gloves on. This is gonna go everywhere, but it's got to be done. So much dirt. I go off-road so much. It's been dry here in Washington, so the roads have been dusty and dirty. There we go, that's loose. Okay, I'm gonna pull this back. This is actually not the right clamp for it. This was on there when I had the car, when I got it. But let's see if I can do this without ruining anything. Really stuck on there. Screwdriver. Break the seal. You want to see it starting to leak. Okay, here we go. Going everywhere. Don't do it on me. Here we go. What a mess. Kind of missed the spot. That's how you get that done. Let that drain. While you're doing that, you can undo the caps. I'm going to undo the cap on the top. So that'll drain more. Watch. See, we get more. What a mess. I didn't know it was going to come out like hardcore like that, but I got it draining out right now. As you can see, it's still kind of draining out. But yeah, so I'm gonna let that drain out for a bit, and I think you can start your car and have it like pump out more. I might do that, but I'm not sure. I'm scared to start my car, but we'll see. Next, on to the next thing. Also, I forgot, we gotta empty this now. It's pretty easy. I'll show you how to do that. It just pops off right here, and it just comes out, twists up, and it comes out. So, well, here we go. Alrighty. So, take this tube out. Just like that. I'm going to wrap it. Just stick it right there. Actually, now I'm going to stick it over here. Get it out of the way. And then this just pops right out like so. Like that. Pull this out. Just pull it straight up. Just like that. Ta-da. So now I cleaned it all out. Put it back in now. So I could start doing the flush. There's like a little nod. Let me take it out. There's this little thing right here. Let's see if I get in the camera. Yeah, right here. This needs to go down in there in a little slot. I'm going to put it all the way down and stick it in the hole. Right there. Kind of tricky. Where's the hole? There it is. There we go. That was kind of tricky, but I got it on there. It should snap back on. There we go. And I can stick this back in there. Just like that. There we go. It's ready. Okie dokie, guys. Fix this microphone. What I'm going to do now is put the lower pipe back on where I drained it, fill it with distilled water. I'll show you. I'm going to fill it right here. Got this cool little thing. Just it goes right in there just like that. It sits in there. I'm going to fill it right there. It's distilled water, and then I'm probably going to add some of that the conditioner stuff to help clean it out with the distilled water. That car was loud. What was I going to say? Oh, fill it with distilled water, then the conditioner, let it run for a bit, and repeat the cycle. And here we go. Let's clean this off a bit. Stick that back on there. There we go. I'm gonna make sure I stick this, put this back on how it was. You don't want to do it where it's like that or different. You want to make sure that, because this is not the right clamp for this hose. It does the job, but